Welcome to Safety Simplified, and here we talk about how to make workplaces safer, healthier, and more efficient for everyone. And I'm your host Lilia, and this is a Sabentis podcast. Today I have a topic that you probably don't hear about often enough, but honestly it can transform the way your business handles safety. We're talking about personalization. And no, I don't mean just adding your company logo to paperwork or sending personalized emails. What I'm talking about is customizing every safety measure so it exactly fits your specific business needs and realities. Why is this such a big deal? Because if your safety practices aren't personalized, they're probably not as effective as you think. Think about it for a second. A construction company and a tech startup clearly face very different safety challenges. Even inside one single company, a person working in a warehouse doesn't have the same risk as someone in accounting, right? If you manage safety with a generic approach, you risk overlooking dangers or wasting resources on irrelevant stuff. But when your safety measures are tailored to your specific situation, you're addressing exactly what matters. Let's face it, generic advice usually gets ignored. We've all heard safety tips like lift carefully or use equipment properly. But these often feel abstract. People don't connect with general instructions. They connect with specific guidance that actually matches their job. Imagine, instead of hearing general reminders, each person gets recommendations based directly on their actual tasks. If you're working with machinery, you get practical tips on operating safely. If you're in logistics, you get reminders specific to loading trucks or moving inventory safely. Real context means real engagement. And here's the best part. When your employees see that safety measures apply directly to their jobs, they pay attention. They feel included. It goes from just another safety email to, hey, this helps me. That's how you build a genuine safety culture. People actively involved, not just following rules blindly. Okay, so here's why we built Sabentis the way we did. We wanted safety management to match your business exactly, not the other way around. With Sabentis, you are not forced to adapt your daily operations to fit rigid software system. Instead, Sabentis mirrors exactly how your company works. It matches your roles, your processes, your structure, and your risks perfectly. It's simple, intuitive, and powerful. Here's what personalization looks like in practice. Let me give you a couple of examples so you can see exactly what I mean. So you have office workers. They will get ergonomic reminders specific to their desks, chairs, and screens. At the exact same time, your warehouse team gets alerts on proper lifting techniques, workload safety, or storing items safely. Both groups see exactly what they need and nobody gets bothered by irrelevant messages. But that's not all. Let's say you have specialized technicians working in confined spaces or at heights. Sabentis automatically provides them with safety protocols, permits, and reminders tailored exactly to their tasks, whether that's inspecting a cooling tower or entering a storage tank. The idea is simple. Everyone gets exactly the safety information they actually need, exactly when they need it, with no confusion. And by the way, Sabentis isn't just about ergonomics. Ergonomics is just one of many things we handle. For instance, we make managing inspections a breeze, whether it's machinery safety checks or monitoring atmospheric conditions. We simplify health monitoring by automatically assigning medical protocols based on each worker's specific risks, like noise exposure for machine operators or respiratory checkups for chemical handlers. You can also create custom emergency plans that exactly match your facility's real layout and risks, and manage safety training sessions so they are automatically assigned based on job roles and tasks. Basically, if it affects safety, Sabentis personalizes it all. Another great thing about personalization is that it saves you time and money. You're not wasting effort or budget on generic measures that don't really apply. Instead, you focus your resources on actual risks with practical, relevant actions. You get better results, faster, and without unnecessary expense. And let's be honest, regulatory compliance can feel like a huge burden. Sabentis helps you by giving you concrete evidence that your safety measures match exactly what's required by regulations. Everything is clearly documented, automatically tracked, and easy to show auditors or regulators. No stress, no guesswork, no scrabbling last minute. We built Sabentis specifically so personalization isn't complicated, it's intuitive. You can easily adjust forms to match your own terms, create dashboards specific to your departments, and instantly get practical recommendations thanks to built-in artificial intelligence technology. Our system automatically assigns training, medical checks, inspections, whatever you need based on each worker's exact job and risks. Everything is automatic, relevant, and incredibly easy. So here's the bottom line. If your safety management isn't personalized, you're missing out on the real benefits. Fewer accidents, better compliance, less wasted money, and happier, safer employees. Sabentis is built specifically around personalization. It's one of the few tools designed to make your business exactly as it is. No compromises, no headaches. If this sounds like something your company could benefit from, why not to see it yourself? Just head over to sabentis.com, book a free demo, and we will show you exactly how Sabentis can simplify and personalize your workplace safety. Thanks for listening, and talk to you again in our next episode.
Visit Sabentis.com and request your free demo. We create safe and healthy workplaces